the mechanical power or the rotating movement. The other part that I am going to talk about is the coils and the winding that a motor has. What I am talking about is all the wires, the copper wire coils that we have there, and they are the windings, and their function are a lot of wires that are forming the coil, then create the magnetic field that is going to the rotor. And their function, the last thing that I like, a little space that is here inside, and it is just a space that must be there to increase the magnetizing current.
The combustion is created by the mixture of air and some fuel. The most common fuels that are used into these motors are the gasoline, that is the one that we can find into cars and motorcycles, the diesel that are used into trucks and buses. We can say that these two fuels are very similar. The only difference that is between them is just that the ignition is kind of different, because the diesel creates more powerful movement, but it's slower than the gasoline movement. We can also say that the airplanes uses the oil fuel, and naphtha is another fuel that is kind of known. Well, the majority of the motors uses the acting of pistons. The pistons are pieces of the metallic pieces that travels into a empty cylinder that creates a cycle of movements that are separated in 4 steps. This movement is known as 4-stroke cycle. The first step is the intake, the second step is the compression, the third step is the power, the last step is the exhaust.
We actually watched about what is an internal combustion engine and an electrical engine. The difference between are a lot. Not about the knowledge of the parts. There are a lot of the engines on an electrical engine, but actually we have an idea what is going on. All the motors on the engines have different parts, but with the same idea. The pistons are all the boards and the shocks, and the change of velocity and the HP are different. We have a lot of cars that use the 1000 HP and electrical motors that have the same energy. So we hope that you learned something about electrical and the combustion internal engine. We are actually put a video about what is a Honda Tech that is actually work about it, and we work in it. So I hope you enjoy all the sounds of all the parts that are in the motors, on the electrical engines and the combustion internal. So hope you learn something about the video.